Okay, so if I sound muffled, I have a breather on because these little things in your lungs and nose gets to be annoying. Right now I'm using 100 grit paper. Just the blue stuff that I just bought a bunch of different sandpaper, and I'm using this 100 grit stuff. And just kind of folding it. You can use a piece of wood or whatever. I'm just trying to just do this by hand. But basically, I'm just sanding. This one's pretty used up. I'm basically just smoothing this all the way around. I tried to bevel this a little bit. As you can see, it's kind of on an angle. I'm trying to mimic this as much as I can, but I'm not going to get it perfect. Not even close, but at least this will look nice and smooth all the way around. So you can see that I would recommend doing this outside, but it's raining at the moment, so. I just wanted you just to tape this a little bit so you can kind of see. Now some of these things are gonna peel up. That's fine, this is all gonna be covered anyway, so it's not a big deal. This will be shown, so you definitely wanna like clean the edge of this up. And I'm just kind of sanding down on an angle a little bit because this is paper and I just don't want to rip the paper up. As you can see, it started to rip there. So just by doing this kind of helps. This part was hard because as you can see here, it kind of flares out. I'm not getting that. It's okay. I'm not upset about it. My main concern is that I have the overall shape. So what I do is I'll just hold this thing down. And fold this in quadrants. And just take about half an hour to shape it. Now there's areas like this that I kind of wish didn't happen. This is a little gap. I did find some stuff online that had some was like foam filler, and I bet we could probably like fill that with foam or even caulk or something. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it as is. Depends how far I want to take it. Just kind of rounding off the edges here. Hand sanding stinks, but to be honest, this is probably the best way to do it. Because it's just an organic form. I'm happy with everything. I'm just going to try to work on this heel a little bit. See if I can smooth it out, even everything out, because you know you have like these little gaps here that if I brought everything down to that, it would take a while, and I don't think it's that necessary. I'm kind of happy with where it is now. And since this is just a real rough grit, this way, I'm gonna get a lighter grit. And if you just have 150, you could probably do all this with that 150, but I'm gonna go to 100, think 150, yeah, 220 here. This is 220. And I'm just gonna get this guy and just do a nice little quick sand all the way around. And what that does, it just kind of smooths it out a bit. 220, you can even feel it on your fingers, it feels a lot better. And that's it. That's probably as far as I'm gonna take it.
I like it.
I'm done. All right, see you later.